Hello. All right. I fixed most of the shit that I was working on last time, so now I got to make the parser spit out an extra file. Oh wait, music. Gotta hit music. Yo! Wait, what sound is echoing? My voice? Oh, great. Testing, 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 testing. What about now? What about now? I got so many microphones connected. I got a feeling two of them are picking up. It still sounds good now? Okay, I don't know what I did. I just turned on and off the input in OBS. God, I hope this doesn't knock the damn arm off. There we go. Alrighty then. Where's the part where we save the file? Somebody else came in. Include file name. Got host. Well. No. My coffee's still good. It tastes one of those rare days where I don't actually have a taste for coffee. I'd rather have water. Oh man, cold water is good. Should be that simple, right? I hope. I should post this somewhere else too. Ah, cool. This thing keeps the coffee warm for like 6 hours. I know this is called Shader Manager. Hold on. Today it's hot in here, so the headphones are bothering me. That'll work. Oh, and then I got to add woohoo. What does that shader dust look like again? So what I'm doing is moving this into a separate file. But then this I got to put in. Oh wait, here, let's see. Bam, bam, bam. Doo. Ooh, I never did fix that string. That's like hard-coded 9 right now. Do that later. Oh, let's see if the other shader depths. Shader depths, which one is it? It's not it. Oh, it's not called shader depths anymore. To delete the old one. Table, it's saving, it looks like. Looks good to me. Alrighty then. Now we got to go back to what? Shader manager.h. Oh wait, it didn't add the extern. Wait, that's not the right one. Is it? No, it has to be. Son of bitch shit. I remember putting that in there. You saw me put it in there. Ah, I put it in a string, but I never wrote it out. Stupid. No good. Boom. There it is. Right, that should compile now. We'll go back to cannot open include file shader manager defs.h. Oh, I didn't rebuild a. Yeah, once I saw like programming, I heard about it. I just loved it ever since. Well, not a day went by where I didn't code something. All right, now. Did the sound go out for everybody? There's something wrong with my sound card. Or sound cards. It's not just one, it's all of them. It goes out every so often. For like a second. What did I forget? Oh, I forgot this. Oop. Bricklaying. When compared to bricklaying, it's more like sculpting. Shader manager defs. I don't see anything wrong with that. Oh, that's the wrong. Ah, I know. Son of a bitch. We gotta just go back and fix the damn thing. Shoo. All right, now I gotta go back and build. Come on, man. Hello, hello. All right, that looks good. Now let's go to Raptor. Hey, we got 5 people. Woohoo. Cannot open program database. Oh, shit. You know what that is? I got Dropbox loaded again. Turn that shit off. I don't know why Dropbox hates this, but come on, we're gonna get 10 people in here. Hey, it built. All right. Now what? Yeah, it's some weird, probably like locked file thing or something. I gotta switch over to SVN. I'm out of water already. Shit. I'll go get that in a minute. I don't know. So what do I do now? Oh yeah. Shader manager. Version control stuff. Well, you know, whatever you call the damn shit now, I don't know. Last time I used it was 10 years ago. All right, shader manager on this side. Shader manager table, shader manager. Let me make sure. Should that really compile? They fixed all my stupid namespace problems. I'm not even going to say what I did wrong. Hello? Clean finished. Well, I can't put it on GitHub. I have to start a whole server or something because my project's too big for just putting it on GitHub. I'll find something. I don't want to go through all that. I used to use we used to use Perforce at PopCap. Maybe we should ask Mr. Dinosaur what SVN he uses, or version control he uses. Look who's here! Hey guys! Well, what's the easiest one? It's Mr. Dino, Mr. D! Hi, guys! How is he controlling it when his hands are on the keyboard? So I'm using Windows and it's owned by Microsoft. I don't care who owns it. I just want to use whatever is easiest and most reliable. All right, so I'm setting the shaders here. I know that's why I don't want to switch to one. It's just a pain in the ass. I'd rather just make a batch file that like copies all the files to my server or something. Where the hell did I set up the shade? Oh, here they are. This has got to totally change. Do they have that on GitHub yet? Because I signed up for there and I tried uploading the Raptor thing to, and it said too big. I'm using too much space. It's like huge. Oh, gee, Raptor shaders. This is the part that's got to change. Draw mode. Okay, that's the old Raptor draw mode. I got it. I got it. I got it. Ugh. Arr. Really? Did they always have that, or is that something new? The thing is, I could rent a server, a virtual server for $5 a month, and have like 100 gigs. That's what we used at PopCap. I don't remember. I remember it being complicated. $50 gigabytes of packet. That's not a lot. Shit, I bet your Raptor's almost 20 gigs. Yeah, just Raptor with the current files is 7 gigs. I'd want something I could put my life's work on. No, it's 5.68 gigs. Right here. That's all the art files, sound files, everything. It'll be more by the time it's done. Well, whatever I do, I'm probably just gonna get. I could go to. I got an account here. I could just make a new $5 a month fucking Linux thing, and with like 100 gigs or something. Hold on, let me log in. I'm not gonna do it on the screen. If I remember my login. Well. Oh, man. Servers. I don't remember how to use this. Where the hell? I don't know if I should be showing this to everybody, but... Oh, here we go. See, I can make a new server. $350 it was. Here we go, $6 a month. For 32 gigs, $6 a month. $12 go to 60. That's half the price for $20 a month. I have 80 gigs. That's what I'll do when I set it up. I'll just use this. Shit, 128 gigs for $24 a month. That'd probably be enough to hold like everything I've ever done in my life. Yeah, it's cool. The thing I like about it is if you want to do a test, you could start a server for like that day and then kill it. It only charges it for the time it was on. They ain't paying fucking GitHub, man. Didn't GitHub get hacked too? Yeah. Hey, Scott, I want to learn how to code. Hold on a second. Yeah, I remember reading something about that. All right, let's get back to work here. God, my neck. Jesus. All right, this Raptor shit. Oh my God. Shader group. We don't need those anymore. All right, today I want to get Raptor running again with this fix, because right now it'll just come up black because it's not finding the shaders. G Raptor shaders. G. Guess we could use the same thing and just keep it simple. Might have to add something down the road. So what are the shaders called? Didn't I have a folder open already? Yeah. Shaders. There they are. Let's just put that on the side there. Maybe tomorrow I'll set up that. I already have the Git thing installed. I don't have Perforce. I don't remember liking Perforce. I don't remember liking any version control thing, actually. What was the Unity Collaborate based on? It was based on something, but that was pretty easy to use. So we got default. I guess we just call that default for now. There is no PAL anim anymore. Maybe I'll try Perforce then. What can you do that from? I wonder if this. I don't know. Can you help me with that then if I choose Perforce? Just want to get some basic thing going. Preferably from the command line, so I can just type something and have it back up or whatever. I don't know. Or maybe there's a GUI for it. I remember we used some GUI even at PopCap. R mode. Darken. Okay, we don't need that anymore. I don't know if I should call it unlit. Well, we'll have to go back to that one day. I believe it's called Lighten now. Lighten. Darken. And we didn't make a grayscale yet, so we'll just leave it at default. Oh shit, now we got two shaders for classic and remix. Can't use blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Uh-oh. Mr. Dinosaur don't like that. Cache. Where? Oh, here we go. Mat count. Material type. Yeah, we're not going to need that anymore. Well, see, this keyword thing simplifies. What's Helix Core? Deleting code is always good. Making something simpler, always better. Might work faster than I thought. I thought this was going to take a few hours, actually. It's nice when things go by faster than usual. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, what the hell? Oh. Stupid! Guilty! There goes the sound again. I bet it's that voice meter shit. Oh shit, we gotta change that function. Raptor draw mode. There is no draw mode anymore. Oh, wait, though, there is a draw mode. That's not that, not that, not that, not that. What the fuck was here? Oh, I get it. I get it. I got it. I got it. Gotta rename that. All right, I'll maybe do that tomorrow. Or how late are you going to be up tonight? If this works, I'm going to be happy. We could set up the... This part will always work. This part ain't going through BGFX yet. That's not good. Oh, great. Oh, bum. Let's run it in debug mode. Set texture. Why is it crashing on a FB reflection? got a feeling that I accidentally deleted a line yesterday or this morning. I don't remember. No, it's making it right there. Oh, ho 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 ho, ho 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 ho. Create shader. All right. What time is it? I gotta eat one of these years. Oh dear me. I don't think I could do the shaders like that anymore for the, because now I got the shader manager. I'm guessing one of those are failing. Is it called Blitz Guy? Theoretically, that should work. Let's see what it's actually called. Yeah, Blit. I don't know, let's try recompiling the whole thing. Just compile the shit out of it. Right, Mr. Dinosaur? Right, good. Oh. Shit. Mr. Dino's learning the code. Batch material. Let's see. We changed material now. RG. Oh boy. Oh, shader. Shader group. Oh, yes, 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 yes. So shader group. What am I looking for? I should just make that a damn handle instead of this group. Shader handle. Gee, that's long. Oh, it's still running. Why can't it detect that? I think it's still going to crash because it was crashing before that thing I just fixed. Here goes Boom. Son of a bitch. Whoa. Now it's crashing. It's making it here, but it's crashing. Batch. Here, batch. Material. Shader. Group. The group's not set. Boy. Mr. Dinosaur can't do anything. He's got no arms. Shit. Oh. Fudge. Only he didn't say fudge. Where do I set up the fucking groups? Batch. Shit. Hey, is there anybody watching that didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel? Oh, God. Hold on a second. Just making sure there's 5 people in here. All right. I got to get to the 1,000 subs. I want to get bitch. All right. I think we got to go to cache material. Somewhere in here, I'm not setting it right. But where? But where? Somebody quit. Didn't want to sub. hue quad. And that's in here. The group was the thing that's shader. I could have swore I set in that. Where the hell would I be setting that? Not setting it anywhere. Why it's not working? Hold on. Ugh. I gotta move up a little bit. Ugh. Son of a bitch. So the material here. God, I haven't worked on this part in months. I don't remember where everything is. Bum. There's all the shit for the pallet. Dee-dee-dee-dot-dee-dee-do-dote. Here, dot shader. Cache material, new material. So maybe it's, oh! I don't know what I'm actually looking for. I'm trying to remember where I set up this stuff. I mean, all this stuff I wrote 3 months ago, it's just... Ah. All right, I gotta rework this. Let's get rid of that shit. New material. G Raptor shader. Oh, that's the part we changed. G Raptor shader group. Okay, I remember. This is all wrong. This got, oh, it ain't totally converted to the new way. Shit. Hear the people cheering in the background? It's my neighbors cheering me on. Come on, make Raptor! Make it go! Oh. Isn't that nice? Now I got two things called shader group. My gut tells me to comment this out and see what falls apart. Now we got a shader group. Yeah, that's not confusing. Shader group, shader group. You know what? I'm going to simplify this first. There's too many levels of shit. This has got one item in it. I mean, it used to have more, but I took it out. It's not even needed anymore. Oh. Shader variants. SSV my ass. Yeah, just fuck. No, it's directly the handle to the shader. That should be close, huh? Yeah. Kind of want to set up that SVN thing now and get it over with. I'm dying here. What? That was stupid. Yeah, now we just do shader. No overload. I think that might be fixed. Oh boy. What have I done? The group? Oh, it's a handle, not a pointer to a handle. Yeah, ding. What? All right. Oh, this one has to be a pointer. Duh, that's it, because that's an array. That's allocated. Okay, this is what we wanted. Missing the thing before the thing. What? Yeah, I gotta put the header file in here. I don't like the fact that it hides the include files. No, it's including shader manager right there. What the fucky dookie? Missing type specifier. Shader group. What's wrong with that? Weird. I mean, the way it's set up, you think it wouldn't... Oh, it's still running. The fuck? It's not finding it. Include that header file. Which includes shader manager. Oh, I gotta prefix it. That's a namespace. Duh. Stupid. No good. There, sound cut out again. There we go. That's why I was fucking up. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, you gotta do the same thing here. Wait, what? Hold on, this ain't right. I know I made it. Oh, shit. Oh, all right, fella. Yeah. New shader group. What do we gotta do with the new way, not the old way? So, bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Oh, I forgot. We got a new function called shader. Let's see, meter manager. Dot, down at the bottom. Yeah, it's got to be a pointer. Does it? Raptor shaders. Yes, does have to be a pointer. Or a pointer of pointers? No, that's right. That's right. So this will be shader manager. Find. That's the new way. Boopity doopity doopity doo. And we don't need the new. Oh, reflection shader. What's it called? Ooh, ooh, oh, 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 and it's not there. Oh, underside. It's called underside. And then reflection shader. It's like, oh, it's right there. It's one of those things that's like going down the rabbit hole. Okay, now we can go back and change the boom, material. Ah, shit. Hold on. I gotta get some water. Hold on. This is a rabbit hole again. Be right back. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, nice fresh cold water. Alright. Ow! Sorry. Alright, alright, alright. So maybe we should add this shit that keeps track of the properties to shader group. I don't know, let me think about this. It's kind of redundant. I got a burp, hold on. Oh, that was a good one. What, did you hear all those kids playing outside? I should go over to the window, put the camera and go, hey, you little sons of bitches, shut the hell up, I'm trying to work here. Oh, the noise gate puppies, then I yell at them, and then all of a sudden, like 10 minutes later, like these kids break in and start beating the shit out of me with baseball bats and stuff. Here, let me turn down the music for a second. Do you hear it now? They're laughing at me. All right, we're gonna do this. Shader manager, shader group. I don't want to rewrite another part. God, it's like a fucking rabbit hole every time you want to make a change. Maybe Mr. Dinosaur will do it. Oh, I know. I was one of those kids that did that. It's like this one lady we used to play like kickball and softball and the cul-de-sac. And if our ball went on that neighbor's lawn, she'd take the ball away from us and put it in her closet. So then we did things like ding-dong ditch, throw rocks at our windows. One time I accidentally set our garbage can on fire with a smoke bomb. I'll never forget that day I had this big smoke bomb. It was about this big, and I set it carefully in the garbage can so it wouldn't touch anything, and lit it, and then the wind blew it over, and all garbage cans caught, everything in the garbage can caught on fire. And I called the police, and I ran up and hid in my room, and I heard a ding-dong. The police were at the door. My mom goes, "Get down here right now!" The garbage can melted. It was a plastic garbage can. Green. Used to play Ding Dong Ditch on them. Alright, so this keeps track of the properties. Now, should I move that over here? Or over there? Oh, this is a... Create uniform. Group. Let me think about this. See, stuff in the shader manager thing's got to be totally separate from the rest of the game because I want to upload that to GitHub. For anybody could use it for BGFX. So I can't. Not sure which way to go with this. Well, it's called Shader Manager, so it should do everything related to shaders right in that, right? Oh, I hate doing it. It's like doing brain surgery. It's like removing this oh, like you can see my fingers on the screen. It's like removing somebody's part of their brain and retransplanting it and having to reconnect all the wires. Well, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm feeling bold. Well, let's call this a shader property. Oh, it's already, I can leave it just property. It's already in a namespace. Okay. First prop, last prop. I'm going to add that to group. Oh, God, what? Wait. Why the fuck is there... Is this in a link listed material? No. It's never even used. Okay. So in the group, let's break this apart visually. Oh, my. Property. First prop, last prop. Okay, that's got to be there. We're going to make a constructor then. Find keyword. We don't need the shader name anymore, so shader group S. Why is next equal null? To make a deconstructor, whatever you call it. Property. Okay, I guess we just do new property. Then at the end, it deletes them. I'm going to do this. Add property. Then when I'm done, I could just call this shader instead of shader group, which makes more sense. What is a shader group? But you know, nobody has to know that. That's the whole point of grouping them up. Oh yeah, here we go. New property. Yeah, it looks good. Now let's just delete this shit. Actually, instead of deleting it, let's just comment it out for now. I guess this music ain't bad. It's copyright free. I could check on. Where's my browser? Oh, wait. Not where I wanted to go. No, it still got it. Them sons of bitches. It'll probably take a couple weeks, I'm guessing. They probably get a shitload of those every day. Oh, just a little thing. When I have a equal signs above a function, that means it's like something to be called outside. When it's minus signs, it's something that's only called inside, like a private. And the dollar signs are for structure. Well, now I'm going to get a shitload of errors. Gack! Okay, we have to change that to shader group. And we're all done. We're going to rename it globally back to shader. 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 Shader group. Oh, I like this song. Oh, if anybody could think of a shorter namespace than Shader Manager, that makes sense. I'm all for it. Oh, we gotta do it down there too. How about SMGR? I'll do that after to get it working. And I'll rename shader group to shader. Superman! It'll always remind me of Superman. SMGR. That's what it's going to be. Oh, shader group. Shader. Yeah, what I want. Yeah, this will look good if I do like SMGR. Huh? Oh. God, it's 7 o'clock already? Huh? I don't know. I'm good to go. Oh, shader my ass. So now it's a shader. Oh, I should just darn. So that's gonna be shader. We gotta do some major renaming. I'm not gonna rename it now, but pizza. Find is not a member of Shader Manager. Oh, I know. I didn't prototype it. That's it. Oh. Uh, oh, we're just setting the group now. We're not setting just a singular shader. ABPs. Always be. Oh, yeah. Oh, we don't need it anymore. For HTML, how to meet the ladies. Why is there a breakpoint there? Oh wait, this thing's autocomplete. I don't remember what it was though. BGFX. Program handle. That's needed. Oh, duh. Whoa. See, out of shit luck if it works. No way. Hey, buddy, I hit escape. Holy shit! And the palette animation ain't working. That's because we didn't turn on that keyword, but the new shader system... I don't see any enemy ships, though. And the shots ain't showing up. Hey, it's progress, though, huh? Oh, yeah, and it's going into the other levels. We never finished it. Remember I started doing that in one stream? Where I could go to any level I want? Well, hell, it's working. Alright, so let's see why. I wonder why the fucking, everything but the plane, the ship is working, the player is working, and the ground is working, but nothing else is? It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Unless. Unlit, lighten, darken, grayscale. Blend mode, transparent, blend mode, solid. Unless maybe I commented out more shit in the engine, I don't know. Start out with the first level. Actually, let's just build the whole damn thing. Make sure, you never know. Yeah, once if I get that SVN thing working, that's when I could go. I could switch. I could run a Linux VM to the Devon, and I could just download it to the Linux box, whatever, and still keep my Windows set up. Now the shots ain't working. That's so weird. Hold on a second. I ate in the bathroom. And then we'll figure this shite out. Alright. Oh boy. Why wouldn't that be drawing? Let's check the obvious shit. Enemy. Think. It's calling everything. I'm just going to take that out. I doubt I'm going to use that. I just didn't feel like taking it out. I was just playing around with the shaders. It's not actually cropped. It's the health meters are black and they're not being drawn yet. So where it's faded on the edges, you just don't see it because it's black already. Well, not a very good one. No, it's funny when I did that. I knew somebody somewhere was going to say something about it. We don't need that. Why am I rendering it to the upscale buffer? Everybody needs more water. And coffee. I'm not doing the upscale buffer anymore. What the fuck? Oh. I gotta fix that. I wonder. Oh no, it's not calling the warm-up shaders anymore. Thought maybe that was killing something, I don't know. It's rendering the player, but it's not rendering the enemies that are shot. What in tarnations could cause that? I mean, the player ship's drawn exactly the same way as the enemy ships. I guess we could debug and see if all the shaders are actually being found. He going to the debugger. Oh. Somewhere around here. That's using the same shader unlets for used for everything, really. Oh, great. Variables not available. So we gotta do that crazy thing like a... Oh no, this is different. This is RGFX. Oh, it's finding it. So that's not the problem. Why the hell would it... Wait a second. Enemy shots display. It's not showing those either. Enemy display. Enemy display sky. Well, it's in God mode right now, so... Yeah, the animations aren't showing either. I mean, nothing... Unless it's not going through all the views. Hold on, let's see. Player. Okay, it's drawing it in the alpha. On here, like, why do I have to do that? The dot RGFX. Draw Q. Yeah, let's see how the enemies are drawn. It's neat. Can't be that. I bet $100 that it is. It's trying to draw it, but it's not displaying. So it's going to stop at that breakpoint. Watch. Which means the bug's more complicated. All right. It's not even calling it. What in tarnations is going on here? Okay, it's stopping there. Step into there. What the fuck? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Remember we were playing around with that, making it go to a certain level? I bet it's not loading the damn enemies. God. Yeah, it's this forcing it to go to a certain level thing. I'm doing that, but I'm not loading the data for the enemy ships at all because they're not even being queued. Watch, it'll work now, but I got to go through all the menus. Here. All right. Oh, we never put the shadows in yet. And the reflections now I got to turn on with those shader keyword things that I made. It's like, one shader could have the variant crap in it. We could try that. Let me rename that crap that I said I want to rename. So I want to rename replacement files. Shader group with shader match case. I hate doing this. It's something bad, like the chance of something bad happening. Do it. And we can get rid of this. And I want to do the namespace thing. So here. Make sure it works. Uh-oh. What the hell? I think I screwed something up with the search and replace shit. What the fuck? Shader diffs. Did that search and replace fuck something up in the... Here we go. Let's just rebuild that. That's why I hate doing global search and replaces. This is not good. I should have never done that global thing. Shader keyword table. What's wrong with that? Nothing. Oh, what the hell? Why does it have the equal signs there? That doesn't make sense. What the hell? Where did that come from? But I just reran the shader parser. That remakes that file. Yeah, look at that. It doesn't... I'll put no equal signs to it. We will never know now. Well, let me make sure. Let's just try this here. Oh, it's not called shader defs anymore. That file shouldn't even be there. Remember, I call it shader manager def. It's loading an old file. Shader defs there. Delete that shit. That's why it was old. Why? Yeah. While it's compiling, it makes me think, am I loading this header file twice? Because I thought I changed that already. Oh. Yeah, that's right. This major. This major. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Raptor. Okay, built. Now let's see if we could turn on the fucking PAL anim. Let's just turn it on some simple way because it's going to get complicated when I start doing it per material. Let's just turn on in here. Oh, I just realized there's a bug. If you turn on a keyword on a shader that doesn't have a keyword, it's going to link it to a variant that doesn't exist. Oh, we're not using anything that doesn't do that yet, so let's just fucking... Let's see, SG keyword enable. What I call it, PAL anim. Oh, if this works first try, I'll be happy. It's your non-reflection. I must have screwed up the shader. Hey, but at least it works. Let's try that shader. What was it called? Default? No, all the keywords are right. It's finding that it's enabling the wrong keyword though. So we're doing something. So let's see. What's that table? Shader manager table. Pale Anim is the first one. Shader manager to each. Find keyword die. Here we go. It's supposed to start at 1 for 1. Index -1. The problem was I turned on palette animation and it turned on reflection. Which meant it was like it thought it was doing the wrong keyword. So now I fixed it. It was one off because I forgot that the first entry in the lookup table is the base name, not the keyword. Ah, it works. I can still see a little jitter, man. It's pissing me off. And the only way to truly get rid of this is by using bilinear filtering. But if you use bilinear filtering, it looks like blurry shit. Let's, one more test. Shader manager to TPPPP. Let's go. I did not spell that right. Build project. Bum 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 bada bum bada bum bada bum bada bum. Now palette animation and reflection should be on. And then we'll do one more test where just reflection is on to make sure it's 100%. There we go, it works. I have a fully functional shader keyword system. Those reflections are going to look way better. That water looks like shit compared to what it's going to look like. Now we just have, okay, it totally works. We tried every combination of those keywords, so. Wow. What time is it? 7:30? What else could I do real quick? I could do this till 8. Isn't that cool though? I mean, like now you have one shader. Without this keyword thing, you have to write 4 different shaders. Or 3 really, but that would be a nightmare. Or without the parser, you would have to write 3 shaders, which would be 6 files total, because there's one for the vertex, and my parser, you know, splits everything apart. That would be a nightmare to maintain. But now that also leaves it the possibility, like if you add like a new mode and a old mode or new mode keyword, you could switch back and forth between the new look and the old look. I don't know if I'm going to do that. It seems kind of cheesy, and why would anybody want to do that? Plus the gameplay is going to be different. I don't know. I hate gimmicky features. I can't believe that whole system worked. I couldn't. It's like the BGFX thing. I spent 2 months on it. Didn't know if it worked, and then it worked. I don't know why I doubt myself anymore, but I do. Let's see, is there anything we need to... Oh, I know what I want to test. I know. The warm-up shaders thing should work now. First, let's see if it crashes. Uh-oh, the cops are onto me. See, that's the shit that happens at 5 o'clock in the morning, man. It wakes me up. I think there's like an old people's home down the road. People are always like having heart attacks and shit. Well, yeah, it didn't like that. Yeah, that's why I don't get it. Is it that or a street cleaner machine, or like on Saturday mornings, you got the crowd cheering out there like 8 o'clock in the morning? I think, for some reason, it doesn't like me doing that. I'm doing the... I wonder if I have to do the frame thing. That's probably where it renders it, though, yeah. God, I hate this. Oh, I know one reason. I was testing different numbers here. So for a triangle, you only need 3 vertices, 3 indices, right? I think so. So it's probably getting some whacked out random data in there. Yeah, that wasn't it. Oh! It's not rendering it to that frame buffer. It's trying to render it to the screen. It's probably fucking it up royally. All right, it's not crashing. Let's see if it's actually getting here now. It is. Oh. Let's go in the game, make sure it hasn't fucked up anything. Oh, the enemy thing that we did before. Oh, working. I wonder. Let me see if this upscale thing works. It might lessen the jitter a little bit. You know, I can take off his blit. Oh, like waiting for something to happen. No, I still see the jitter a little bit. It's probably hard to tell on the stream. Maybe it's a little smoother. And I'll experiment when I get the whole game done at the end. It's hard to see because it's running 60 frames a second on here, and I'm streaming at 30 frames a second. Well, here's a for instance here. I'm going to run it again. You can really see it on the video, on the stream, when that the bonus thing on the ground goes scrolling by. I'll just let this go. It's like right there, the ship's like at a hitch when they're like maybe 1/4 of the way down the screen. Well, those move smooth. It's smoother than the DOS version, so whatever case, it's better than it was. The reflections for the damn enemy ships are way the hell off. They're right for the player, though. There, like, look at that. Oh. Do you guys see the bonus pod? It was hard to tell for me. See, the jitter, the problem is that thing moved 1 pixel every 24 frames a second on the dot. And since I can't use bilinear filtering, you can't have like sub-precision pixels. So it's almost impossible to get totally smooth. I mean, there's probably a lot of things I could try to do at the end. I don't know. I mean, I could render the tiles to one big ass texture, and then you'd have sub-pixel positions. It's not going to get rid of the problem, though. The problem is 2 pixels can't occupy the same pixel. I mean, like, you know. And then if you put bilinear filtering on, it kind of fixes the problem, but then you get seams in the tiles. So you're screwed with that. Like the DOS Raptor, it moved 1 pixel at 24 frames a second. There was no 0.5 pixels, which, since that rate is not evenly dividable into any frame rate. I mean, for the new mode, there's a lot of things I could do. I could, like, maybe interpolate the frames. So I render it at 30 frames a second, or and then interpolate it, or I don't know. There's a lot of things I could do. I'll figure that out later. There's more pressing things to get done first. And things like that, it's always good to leave like those complicated things for last, because you might think of a better idea than spending time on it in the beginning, you know? Like that bug I had yesterday. I was like, oh, gotta admit the thing. Huh. What time is it? 7:44. Let's see. Rap.c. We could try to figure out real quick why. How long have I been doing this? It says live for 57 minutes. We've been at this longer than 57 minutes. All right, I'm just gonna hang up then. It's 7:45 here. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. Good night, everybody. Peace.